Hello guys, I have come with another interesting video. Today we are going to create this amazing parallax card effect with Elementor. Let's move to the video. Let's start with a Flexbox container with full width and 100 viewport height. Then add our background image. Select cover and center to center. Now add our parallax card container inside it. Make it full width and 600 pixels. And height 350 pixels. Now make the card container center of the screen. Now add the sky image as the background of this container. Display cover, position top center. Remove the paddings. Add some border radius. Add a heading. Change the style as we need. Next, add the image. Next, add container for the bottom blurred box section. 100 pixels height. For the background blurred effect, we need to write one piece of CSS code in custom CSS. We can use selector tag. In Elementor, selector targets the current element for applying custom CSS. Write backdrop filter. Blur 20 pixels. Next, we need to increase the scale of this image. For that, go to the Advanced section in the Transform. Select Scale 3. Now we need to hide the overflow items from this container. For that, select the container, go to the Layout section. In the Advanced options, choose Overflow Hidden. Now we got it. We need to add some padding and margins for alignment. Add 30 pixel margin bottom to heading and add 20 pixel padding top to the container. Now add the blurred box content. Now we complete the card. But till now, parallax effect not added. To achieve that, we will use the feature called Motion Effects. First, go to the container style. Under the background image section, turn on this mouse effect and set your direction and speed. I'll set like this. Next, select the image. In the Advanced tab, move to Motion Effects section. Under that, turn on the mouse effect and set the direction and speed. Now do the same thing to heading. I'll change the direction to direct. That's it. We got the perfect parallax effect card. To add more spice, I'm going to add some overlay to main container. Finally, we got the output. Tell your opinions and comments below, guys.